Who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide de camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? Correct answer is option B, Ashwani Lohani. Who has been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador for the Maldives? Correct answer is option A, Katrina Kaif. Who is the newly appointed president of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option B, Zhu Ziai. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who was appointed as the new managing director and head of Meta India effective July 1st, 2025? Correct answer is option C, Arun Srinivas. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Kumar. Who took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Justice B.R. Gavai. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Fertilizer Association of India? Correct answer is option B, Sailesh Mehta. Who has recently joined as a part-time member of the 16th Finance Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, T. Ravi Shankar. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador for Audi India? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Who has been appointed as India's new ambassador to Sweden in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anurag Bhushan. Who was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Manipur High Court in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, Justice K. Somashekar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is option B, S. Mahendra Dev. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the reconstituted National Security Advisory Board in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Alok Joshi. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Electoral Officer of Bihar? Correct answer is option B, Vinod Kumar Gunjial. Who has been appointed as the new Executive Chairman of NALSA? Correct answer is option D, Justice Suryakant. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Who has been appointed as the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Who has been recently appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option D, Gyanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct answer is option C, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who has become the first female president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option C, Kirsty Conventry. Who has been appointed as the new secretary of the Department of Agriculture Research and Education and director of the Indian Council of Agriculture Research? Correct answer is option D, Dr. Mangilal Jat. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option D, Mirabai Chanu. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the FICCI Media and Entertainment Committee South? Correct answer is option B, Kamal Hassan. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? Correct answer is option B, Siva Subramanian Raman. Who has been appointed to the IMF Managing Directors Advisory Council on Entrepreneurship and Growth? Correct answer is option B, N. Chandrasekaran. Who has been appointed as the 18th Director of the National Institutes of Health? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Jay Bhattacharya. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who was appointed as the new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of SBI Cards and Payment Services? Correct answer is option B, Salila Pandey. Who has been appointed as India's new Finance Secretary? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Indian Banks Association for the upcoming fiscal year? Correct answer is option A, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Who was appointed as the CEO of the Government e-Marketplace? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of IFCI Limited? Correct answer is option B, Rahul Bhave. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indranil Bhattacharya. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Odisha High Court? Correct answer is option C, Justice Harish Tandon. Who has been appointed as the new Speaker of Delhi Assembly? Correct answer is option A, Vijendra Gupta. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief Financial Officer of IndusInd Bank? Correct answer is option B, Santosh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the whole-time director at Maruti Suzuki India Limited? Correct answer is option A, Sunil Kakkar. Who has been elected as the new chairman of GSMA Association? Correct answer is option B, Gopal Vittal. Who has been elected as the new chairman of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage? Correct answer is option D, Ashok Singh Thakur. Who has been appointed as a board member of Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sujata Chaturvedi. Who has been appointed as the new chancellor of NIIT University? Correct answer is option B, Amitabh Kant. Who has been reappointed as an independent director of Fino Payments Bank? Correct answer is option A, Deena Mehta. Who has been named the Fit India icon by the Union Sports Minister? Correct answer is option C, Ayushman Khurrana. Who has been appointed as the new vice chairman of Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Lakshmi Venu. Who has been appointed as the principal secretary second to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shaktikant Das. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option B, Kash Patel. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Standard Chartered India? Correct answer is option C, P.D. Singh. Who has been appointed as the director in the Ministry of Steel under the Central Staffing Scheme? Correct answer is option C, Miss Mamoon Alam. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Nirwan. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Israel? Correct answer is option D, Jitendra Pal Singh. Who has been elected as the Vice President of the All India Ophthalmological Society in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mohan Rajan. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the Oman India Joint Investment Fund in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Satish Chhawa. Who has been elected as a bureau member of United World Wrestling Asia? Correct answer is option D, Sanjay Singh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Tata Communications in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, N. Ganpati Subramaniam. Who has assumed charge as the chief executive of the Indian Banks Association in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Atul Kumar Goyal. Who has been appointed as India's first woman union law secretary in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Institute of Economic Growth in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sabyasachi Kar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Ombudsman of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? Correct answer is option B, Justice Arun Mishra. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization and secretary of the Department of Space? Correct answer is option C, Dr. V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Oakley in India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shubhaman Gill. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option D, Satish Kumar. Who has become the new chairman of the Airport Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Vipin Kumar. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for the Karnataka Forest and Wildlife Department in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anil Kumble. And the last question of today's session is, who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the Food Corporation of India in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ashutosh Agnihotri. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you: who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide de camp to the President of India? So friends, share your answer in the comment box, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.